Hello guys, welcome again to another episode of Pinoy in Australia. Today what we're going to do guys is we're going to replace the lid of the arm of the center console armrest. So actually this armrest is also some kind of lid of this compartment. So I have a new one guys. So this is our new one guys. Okay, so this one is not really hard to replace guys, because there are around 6 screw that we need to remove. So 1 2 so 1 2 3 3 4 and 5 and 6. So there are around 6 screw that we need to remove. Then we need to pry the cover here guys, and there is a locking mechanism. So there's another one here guys. See? So another one here. So we need to after removing the screw, we need to release those lock guys. So let's start dismantling it guys. Okay guys, I had removed the screw guys. This one, that one, and another two in the bottom guys. So after that guys, another two here guys. So that's where the locking mechanism is attached. So this is the one that come from there. After removing that one guys, let me show you how I remove this one. I pry it. I pry this top portion using the scraper guys. So I pry first the one on the top. So I use this scraper. I pry it here first. Then once you pry it, the one on the top portion will come up from the locking mechanism here. Then after that, I pry this portion, then another one, then I pull it guys, then it come up easily guys. So you need this kind of tools to separate this from here. So let me put it back and show you how I remove it. So I'm going to redo it again guys, so you can see. Pry from the top. It's hard to do it with one hand guys. Yep. Pry it from the top. Then go to the side. And guys, from the side. So the side is ready to come up. See? Just need these tools. Scrapers guys. That's how easy to remove it. Then I'm going to remove this one. Then I'm going to put the new one. Okay. I need to turn off the camera guys, because I need to hold it. Don't tight it too much guys, because it's only made of plastic guys. Okay guys, this lid guys, we need to reuse this one. So there's no problem with the lid. So all I need to do right now is to put back all those screw guys that holding the lid. So this is the locking mechanism for this one. For the nuts. Oh, wait. Okay guys, I already put back the new lid guys. So you need to secure those screw guys. This one, and two on the bottom. This one and this one. So make sure they're tight and make sure that the locking mechanism inside is hooked properly guys. So we have a new one guys, much better than before. Let's compare it to the old one. So this is the old one, this is the new one guys. So how did it break? Usually what happened is the passenger is leaning their elbow here, that's why it damaged the upholstery guys. And also because of heat generated during summer guys, temperature inside the vehicle reach up to 50 degrees centigrade. This material become hard guys, and once you lean on it, it cracks. So it loses the elasticity guys. So it's like also a rubber. So we have a new one guys. I hope you like this video guys. So subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and please press the like button. Please press the notification bell so you will be notified every time I do a video guys. Okay, see you on the next one guys.